I want to talk about archery because it was my first time actually shooting a bow and arrow, and it was really fun. And it was just kind of something new for me, and I loved it. It was just amazing because I've always wanted to do it. It's always been a dream of mine. In fact, it was what I asked for my birthday. It's fun because you feel the sense of excitement when you actually hit the target you want, and you have complete control of where it's going to go, and nothing can stop it. You're the only one who can determine where it goes and what it's going to do. It relates to what I do in my life because I'm the one who's going to determine where I go, how I act, and how I am seen by other people. It'll help me understand how I'm seen, because sometimes I'm completely oblivious. So that would be really cool if I can understand that skill now. I think I need to focus more on body language because you can tell a lot about what's going through someone's mind by how they're just standing, sitting, or even moving, sort of. I could be more aware of my own actions and understand how to see how others react to what I'm doing.
I managed the first time to hit the center and it felt really good.
It's actually more difficult than we thought it would. You actually need to handle the bow firmly and practice the perfect amount of strength and tension to the string of the bow so that you can throw the arrow perfectly.
The game is about to hit the balloon. If you hit it first, you can hit the other balloons, and the one who hits the most balloon wins. Start like this, then you go up. The hand needs to be a little bit up, and you have to put your shoulder a little bit down and your elbow up, so you can aim better and it popped.
Nice.
Got it. I mean, I hit my balloon, but I have to hit the others to win.